Teachers' Day celebration commenced with the ceremonial lighting of the lamp by the principal, symbolizing the enlightenment that education. Akansha Pandey ma'am then shared her insightful reflections on the significance of Teachers' Day, adding depth to the celebration.
To acknowledge, to recognize, and to pay tribute to all the teachers on this very special day of Teachers' Day and the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan for their contribution towards the growth and development of the students. All my gratitude to all the students of our SDRR family, your enthusiasm, curiosity, and eagerness to learn, putting up a function for teachers. The way you honor the teacher, that's the culture of India. Your dedication showing us that our efforts make a difference. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers, but more importantly, thank you for being amazing student.
While Nidhi from class 12 Science B delivered an inspiring speech in English.
12 is going to present a speech on the occasion of Teachers' Day. As you know, today we gather here to celebrate one of the most cherished occasion, Teachers' Day, a day to celebrate the pillar of our society, the guardians of our future and the champions of knowledge. We celebrate Teachers' Day on September 5, which is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a scholar, philosopher and the second President of India. The story backs to the time of Dr. Radhakrishnan's presidentship, when once his former student approached him with a request to celebrate September 5th in a special manner. However, Radhakrishnan, then agreeing to his request, proposed that September 5th be observed as Teachers' Day, dedicated to recognizing and appreciating the invaluable contribution of educators to society. He firmly believed that teachers should be the best mind.
With a touching poem presented by Arpit Vigilwan of class 7.
समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। विद्या देते दान गुरुजी, हर लेते अज्ञान गुरुजी, अक्षर अक्षर हमें सिखाते, शब्द शब्द का अर्थ बताते, कभी प्यार से कभी डांट से, कभी प्यार से कभी डांट से हमको देते ज्ञान गुरुजी, जोड़ घटाना गुणा बताते, प्रश्न गणित के हल करवाते, हर गलती को ठीक कराते, पकड़ हमारे कान गुरुजी, धरती का भूगोल बताते, इतिहासों की कथा सुनाते, खेल खेल में गीत गवाते, कभी पढ़ाते कभी लिखाते, अच्छे और बुरे की हमको करवाते पहचान गुरुजी। धन्यवाद।
Celebration continued with a joyful cake cutting ceremony led by the principal, marking the festive spirit of the day. The occasion, in a meaningful way, a plantation drive was organized where all the teachers actively participated, contributing to a greener future. The event was a beautiful blend of appreciation, joy, and responsibility, making it a memorable Teachers' Day celebration. Thank you.